Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay. Are you excited to start my own lesson for today, girls? Okay, let's start my own lesson for today. But before starting, let me ask you about the day and the date, girls. Who can tell me what's the day today, girls? Today is Wednesday. Let's spell the word Wednesday together. Wednesday. Again, today is Wednesday. Wednesday. And the date is 13 to 1442 after Hijrah. Again, today is Wednesday. Wednesday. And the date is 13 to 1442 after Hijrah. Now, I want you to open your notebook. Open your notebook, please, girls, in the handwriting section. Write the day with the date. Write Wednesday 13 to 1442 after Hijrah. Then write your full name. Write your full name in English. Then copy this song in your notebook, girls. I think a dolphin is cute. A seahorse is cuter than a dolphin. A baby seal is the cutest. I think whales are fast. Sharks are faster than whales. Dolphins are the fastest. Copy this song in your notebook, please, girls, okay? And don't forget to write the day with the date and your full name in English, okay? Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today, girls. Let's start. Give me examples of sea animals. Give me examples of sea animals, girls. Sharks, dolphins, starfish, whales, seahorse, seagull. Okay, now ask and answer. Ask and answer. Where are you from? I am from Saudi Arabia. Where do you live? I live in Taif. How do you feel today? I feel happy today. Okay, girls? Now, comparative adjectives. We took this definition before, girls. Are used to compare differences between two things, between two persons, between two animals, okay? For example, larger than, smaller than, slower than, cuter than, happier than. Again, comparative adjectives are used to compare differences between two things, larger than, smaller than, slower than, cuter than, and happier than. Superlative adjectives are used to compare differences between more than two things or more than two persons or more than two animals, girls. For example, the largest, the smallest, the biggest, the slowest, the cutest. Okay? For example, examples for comparative adjectives. Amal is taller than Layla. Ahmed is shorter than Ali. Examples for superlative adjectives. For example, Sarah is the tallest of these girls. Amal is the shortest of those girls. Okay, girls? Now, today, inshallah, we will start taking lesson 3 in unit 2. And it's about sea animals as you know before. Page number 14 and 15. Page number 14 and 15, girls. Please, I want you now to open your book. Page number 14 and 15. Write the day with the date, please. Write the day with the date on page number 14 and 15. Then close your box. Now we have as plus adjective plus as. As plus adjective plus as is used to make comparison between two things. These two things are equal. Are equal. Okay? Now, again, as plus adjective plus as is used to make comparison when the things we are comparing are equal. Again, as plus adjective as is used to make comparison when the things we are comparing are equal. Again, as plus adjective plus as is used to make comparison when the things we are comparing are equal. For example, Amal is as tall as Selma. Amal is as tall as Selma. Now we have example: as big as small as cute as tall as small as. Now we see only we add the adjective without adding est, without adding er. Just add the adjective: as big as small as cute as tall as small as. We don't add er or est to the adjective. Okay, girls? Now use as adjective as. Okay, now we have a dolphin and a fish. A dolphin is as big as a fish. A dolphin is as big as a fish, for example. Okay, here we have Ahmed and Ali. We will use as adjective as. We have the adjective tall. Ahmed is as tall as Ali. Ahmed is as tall as Ali. Now use as in the following adjectives. We have Amal is Muna. Amal is as tall as Muna. A dolphin is as cute as a baby seal. Whales are as fast as sharks. 4. A shark is as scary as a lion. 5. An elephant is as slow as turtle. Again, an elephant is as slow as a turtle. Sorry, girls. Wait, please. As a turtle. Now, let's see. Correct the mistakes in the following sentences. Correct the mistake in the following sentences. Number 1, a shark is as scarier as a lion. Of course, this is wrong. A shark is as scary as a lion. 2, Amal are as tall as Selma. Amal are as tall as Selma. Of course, this is wrong. Amal is as tall as Selma. Amal is singular, so I should use is instead of using are. 3. A seahorse is the slowest than a shark. False. A seahorse. Now here in this sentence I compare between a seahorse and a shark, so I should use the adjective plus plus than, right? So a seahorse is slower than a shark. A seahorse is slower than a shark. Now let's see the first word in my lesson today. What's this? It's an eel. Again, eel. Double E-L. Double E-L. What is this? It's an eel. Double E-L. Double E-L. It's an eel. Double E-L. What's the color of this eel? It's green. It's green, girls. Now the first word in my lesson today is eel. Let's see, the second word in my lesson today is what? It's a seagull. Again, seagull. 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 Again, Seagull. Seagull. Word number 1 is an eel. 2, seagull. Seagull. Okay? Now, قال تعالى: وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي أفلا يؤمنون. Girls, if I ask you, what did you understand from this ayah? We understood that animals, people, and plants can't stay alive without water. No animal, no plant can stay alive without water, girls. Okay? Now, give me examples of seas in Saudi Arabia. We have Red Sea. We have Arabian Sea, right? Now, I want you to open your books. Girls, open your books, please. Page number 14. Page number 14, girls. Open your books, page number 14. And listen now. Listen, girls, please. Open your books and listen.
Rhythms and reading. Exercise 1. Listen, chant, and do. Then practice. Then, then practice in pairs. As slippery as an eel, as fat as a walrus, as big as a whale, as fast as a dolphin, as scary as a shark, as cute as a baby seal, as slow as a seahorse, as noisy as a seagull.
Now let's take turns and do it again with actions. As slippery as an eel, as fat as a walrus, as big as a whale, as fast as a dolphin, as scary as a shark, as cute as a baby seal, as slow as a seahorse, as noisy as a seagull.
Again, girls. As slippery as an eel, as fat as a walrus, as big as a whale, as fast as a dolphin, as scary as a shark, as cute as a baby seal, as slow as a seahorse, as noisy as a seagull. Okay? Now, reading race. We will do this exercise together, girls, in our virtual classroom. We'll do it together, girls. Now, I want you to open your activity book. Open your activity book, please, girls. Open your activity book, page number, girls. Page number 83 and 84. 83 and 84. This is your homework, girls. 83 and 84. Now, I want you to listen, girls.
Goal 13. I can act out the just like something chant with a partner. 1. Listen and chant. Match with the pictures.
As slippery as an eel, as a walrus, as fast as a dolphin, as scary as a shark, as cute as a baby seal, as slow as a seahorse, as noisy as a seagull.
Okay, girls, now I want you to read and match with pictures. We have these adjectives: slippery, fast, big, scary, fat, slow, noisy, and cute. And we have all these animals. I want you to read this song and match the letters with the adjectives here. Okay, girls? Now, let's see page number 83, 84. 84, girls. Exercise number 2. Choose land animals and write the just like something. Chant again. An elephant, a snake, a hippo, a rabbit, a monkey, a lion, a baby panda, a turtle, a parrot, a horse. Number 1. As slippery as snake, as fat as a hippo, as big as an elephant, as fast as a rabbit, as scary as a lion, as cute as a baby panda, as slow as a turtle, as noisy as a parrot. Okay, now unscramble the letters and write the words. We have LWHAE, it's a whale. Then 2, we have OLPHIDN, it's a dolphin. 3, we have ULLEASG, it's a seagull. Okay? Okay, girls? Now, this is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls.